We can start.
Sumit, can you tell me about yourself briefly?
Yes, sir. So, good evening. Myself, Sumit Sahu. I was born and brought up in Chhindwara, Madhya Pradesh, and I have completed my Bachelor of Business Administration from Indore Institute of Management and Research, Indore,
Bachelor of
in
what?
2020. Business
Bachelor of,
Administration BBA,
yes.
BBA from Indore Institute of Management and Research in June 2023. Recently, I passed out, and I have few hobbies like playing volleyball, as well as I have also recently started to read some self-help books.
Yeah.
And besides that, yeah, that's all.
Tell us about your family.
Okay. So we live in a close-knitted family. My family has 4 members, including me, my brother, my mother, and my father, and myself. So my father is an ex-retired railway contractor, and my mother is a homemaker, and my elder brother, he is a software engineer in Pune.
Father ex-retired nahi aayega. Father is a
Retired.
ex-railway contractor. Ex-retired, both nahi aayega. Only one.
Okay. Ex-retired railway contractor.
Yeah, very good. Excellent.
And now he
Now,
is looking after our agricultural land
what
in village.
what are the crops grown by him?
So in our land, we are growing mainly maize as well as wheat throughout the year.
Good. Is he a small farmer or marginal farmer?
So I would say he is a small farmer because we don't have quite a knowledge about it, because since he has been indulged in other business, so we are just looking it as a part-time job as of now.
No,
So,
no.
yeah.
The definition is not based on knowledge. Definition is based on the extent of land.
Okay.
Whether he
If
is
I talk
having
about
1 hectare land or 2 hectares land, like that. So please go to Google and make a search. You will know it.
Okay, if I talk about the land area, we have 5 acres of land in our
Must be.
village.
So he is not a small. He is a medium farmer.
Okay, yeah.
It's okay, fine, no problem. Good. Which
Yes.
bank do you have an account?
So, sir, I have a bank account in Bank of India in Chhindwara branch.
Acha, good. When did you open this account?
So, sir, this bank account was opened by my school when I was in my middle grade.
Oh, acha, good.
It's been 10 years or so.
Now you
I don't have seen.
studied BBA.
Yes, sir.
Please define proprietorship concern.
Proprietorship.
What is a proprietor company?
Sir, I don't have much knowledge about this terminology.
ये सब तो आप लोग पढ़ा होगा BBA में. Sole proprietor is one person. He is the owner of the company. Sole proprietor का मतलब the company owned by one individual, maybe a male or female. Male होने से proprietor, female होने से proprietrix. सुना होगा आपने, भूल गया होगा. The next proprietor. Next type of company is partnership. What is a partnership?
So, partnership is a type of company where 2 or more individuals come together to run a business and share their profits among themselves in a proportional basis.
Sufficient. Yeah. So please tell me, what do you know about Federal Bank?
So Federal Bank is one of the leading private banks of India. It was founded by Sir K.P. Hormis in 1931, and it's headquartered in Aluva, Kerala. And the current CEO and MD of Federal Bank is Mr. Shyam Srinivasan, as well as the part-time chairman is Mr. A.P. Hota.
Super.
And for Federal Bank has around 1,400 branches all over India, and it also includes and Federal Bank also operates in overseas like countries in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Oman, and Kuwait, etc.
Good. Why should I give preference to Sumit for this post?
Sir, I think I am a suitable fit for this post because I have learned management. Yes, yet I am a graduate, fresher, but I think I possess good theoretical knowledge over my subject management, and I think I am quite sure that I'll be able to put my theoretical knowledge into the real-time workplace. I have good leadership skills as well as I'm a punctual guy, if I talk about.
Mm,
And in my graduation, I have done two internships that have quite helped me to gain a different perspective about my personality. And
mm.
I have become, and yes, I can say that I have become quite polite regarding people and understanding their needs and preferences, being working in a marketing internship in my college time.
Please tell me what are the responsibilities or duties of a bank clerk?
So, sir, bank clerk has various jobs. I can name a few. Since opening bank account of people, from doing their KYCs verification, as well as helping them in bearing check, issuing, depositing checks, as well as various responsibilities, including day to day particulars.
और भी अच्छा बोल सकते हैं. You can tell some more things also. Number one, when he is in the cash, when the cash clerk is in the cash counter, he'll be responsible for receiving of cash and making payment of cash. Then
Okay.
when he is in single window operator counter, he'll be responsible for fulfilling KYC formalities, then helping the customer in filling up the forms, helping the customer in opening up the account, in making payment to the customer, receiving payment from the customer, and also say he will be responsible for issue of fixed deposit receipts, RD account.
Uh-huh.
Then in current account also he may have to under single window में सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. He will also be responsible for issue of fixed deposit receipts and other details. समझ गया?
तो जो
And
भी
he has to
काम है वो
and he will be rendering this service with a smiling face, receive the customer, clarify their doubts, and get the transactions done quickly.
Yes, sir, got it. I'll make
Yeah,
sure to
yeah,
improve
good.
on this.
You are staying in which place? How far is it from Nagpur?
So, sir, Nagpur is around 120 kilometers from Chinwada, Madhya Pradesh.
Acha. Acha, you are in Madhya Pradesh, but you have to go to Nagpur.
Yeah, actually, Chinwada is the neighboring district. It is on the border of Maharashtra. So
Oh.
Nagpur is like a neighboring district for us, if I say interstate.
ओहो, तब तो दूसरा स्टेट में जाके अपने इंटरव्यू अटेंड करना है. आर यू विलिंग टू बी
No.
posted in other states also?
Yes, sir, I don't have any problem in relocating. Even I am a person who loves exploring new places. So that
No.
won't be an issue with me to going to a new place.
Excellent, excellent. Which languages you know?
Sir, mainly I know my mother tongue Hindi as well as English.
How did you
I don't have any.
how did you develop communication skill in English?
So, sir, since childhood, I've been learning in English medium school. My parents as well as my cousins have helped me to gain a good sight over this language, and that's all I've been learning it by myself.
Good, you are speaking very well. Now please tell me about banking. What is banking?
Banking, sir. Before understanding banking, I must say that bank is a financial institution whose main focus is on uh, carrying the deposits and lending money out of it. So that's all the main purpose of banking.
That will do. That will do. Stop with that. Then they will ask you what are the other functions banks are doing nowadays.
Okay. So banks perform various functions such as lending money, carrying deposits. They also sell insurances through third-party partnerships. that is known as bank assurance, as well as lending locker facilities to the customers, overdrafts, RD, FDs, foreign exchange remittances services are also available in banks.
Good. Now, please tell me, what is Reserve Bank? What are the functions of Reserve Bank?
The Reserve Bank is the apex body, the Central Bank of India, and it has various functions such as printing the currency, the notes being circulated in the market, as well as it is a custodian for foreign exchange reserves, as well as it is also known as bankers bank.
One more.
And
One more.
Lending to last resort. Lending of last resort.
You should also say about bankers to government and monetary policy authority.
Yeah, correct.
Good. Name the Governor of Reserve Bank of India.
So, sir, currently RBI Governor is Mr. Shaktikant Das.
Can you name the new director who has been appointed to Reserve Bank of India?
Mr. Radha Shama.
No.
Mr.
Mr. Vishwanathan. P.
Vishwanath.
P. Vishwanathan has been appointed recently as a director.
Okay, sir. P. Vishwanathan.
Can you name the 4 deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India? You don't know?
No, sir. I hope.
Swaminathan Janaki Raman, M.D. Patro, Rajeshwar Rao, Rabi Shankar.
Okay, sir. I'll make sure to name them.
Then next point is, you have told about this one. And what is the next thing I have to ask you? What are the subsidiaries of RBI?
There are mainly 4 subsidiaries of RBI.
Totally 5. 5.
5.
But it doesn't matter. You tell 4, I will tell the 5th.
Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Service Limited.
Correct.
Then Deposit and Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation of India.
First class.
There is another one, this Reserve Information Technology, Reserve Bank Information Technology, something REIT, I guess. And another one is Indian Foreign Trade, IFTLs.
Then I think you are missing something. First is DICGC, you told. Second is BRBNMPL, you told that. Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. Next one is REBIT. Did you tell this? REBIT.
Reserve Bank Information.
You told
REBIT.
this? You told this? Yeah. Okay. Next one is Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services.
Indian Financial Technology.
IFTAS. IFTAS.
Okay.
It is coming here.
Okay, sir.
IFTAS. Then Reserve Bank Innovation Hub.
Reserve Bank Innovation Hub.
And they have added one more now. National Center for Financial Education.
National Center for Financial Education.
Education. आप नोट कर लीजिए ऊपर वाला byscoop.com.
I have taken a screenshot of this.
Yeah. So you please prepare for this, study more about it. Yeah, good. Now please tell me, what is a current account?
The current account are generally formulated for the business purposes, and on current account deposits, we don't receive any interest on the money we deposit at the bank, as well as they don't have any withdrawal limit charges for any day. They can withdraw as much amount as they want.
Correct. On the other hand, they will be levied service charges for the number of transactions made. Then current account is opened for business purposes like proprietor, partnership, limited companies. And the minimum balance to be kept here is higher than the minimum balance to be kept in savings bank accounts. These are the points you can tell. Good. You told nicely. What is your weakness, Mr. Mohit? Sorry, Sumit. Sumit. Sumit.
No problem. Yes, sir. So, uh, sir, if I talk about my weakness, I would say that I might somewhat lag in when I'm doing multitasking. So during multitasking, I might lag on focusing on one task and forgetting the others. That might be one of my weaknesses that I am trying to improve these days.
Rather, you are slow in decision making. You are rather you take a lot of time. आपको शादी fix up करने के भी अब आसान से accept नहीं करेगा किसी लड़की को. You will think once, twice, thrice, 4, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 10 times, then only decide.
That's correct. I quite overthink a lot about it.
It's okay,
Everything.
fine, no problem. For me, no problem. How will Federal Bank help you in your career?
So, sir, since childhood, me and my parents have had this dream to be going to the bank and becoming a manager one day. This dream has been of mine as well since quite few years. So, Federal Bank then can definitely help me uh, climb up the ladder of the success in this entry level job that I've posted that I have applied for. And yeah.
How do you define work-life balance?
Sir, according to me, work-life balance is a key aspect in every employee's life because when you don't have a good personal life that you can't enjoy, then you can't focus on your work. You can't give 100% to your work to achieve the best results out of it. So having a good personal life is also equally important as working in the office environment.
Good. Can you tell me who is the vice chairman of Niti Ayog?
Niti Ayog chairperson is Mr. Narendra Modi. Vice chairperson, sir, I can't remember.
Suman Bedi.
Suman Bedi.
Yeah.
Bedi.
Suman Bedi. B-E-R-Y.
Acha, Suman Bedi.
So now India's presidency has been handed over to which country today?
India's presidency
of G20.
Okay. So next G20 will be conducted by Brazil.
Good. Who is the important person in Brazil? Lula. His name is President is Lula.
Lula.
Lula. Because it has come in papers that Lula has assured Mr. Putin that he will not be arrested in 2024 G20 meeting, something like that. Now, please tell me, what do you know about one nation, one election?
So, sir, it is an initiative. It is not in place right now. It hasn't been circulated till now, but the central government is planning to conduct just one election, both for Lok Sabha, for state government as well as central government. Instead of doing it on the various timings, they just want to perform it once in a year and select all the legislative councils, MPs, and MLAs simultaneously.
What is the advantage of this? Who is the chairman of the committee?
I think Mr. Ramnath Kovind is leading this one.
If you say, I think, you will be getting low marks. Instead, you should say confidently.
Right.
Okay.
And many advantages could be the reduction in total cost of conduction of elections,
Correct.
time saving, efficient, and effectively. There are various.
Good. You told nicely. Now, how do you see yourself 10 years from now?
10 years ahead. Sir, I want to climb up every ladder of the success in banking sector. In few years, I see myself going to the managerial position, on junior managerial position. Then after a few years working towards the position and doing my 100%, I see myself as a senior manager in Federal Bank and handling various branches.
Good. Now, can you tell me the expansion of IRDAI?
Yes, sir. It is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India.
What is the rate of interest in Public Provident Fund?
PPF rate.
7.1%.
Okay. 7.1%.
Now, what is the rate of interest on now for repo rate?
The repo rate currently is at 6.5%.
Who is the External Affairs Minister?
Mr. S. Jaishankar.
What is the expansion of IRDAI?
Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India.
Who is the chairman?
Of IRDAI?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of this name.
It is Debosish Panda. Where is the headquarters of IRDAI?
It's in Mumbai.
No, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
What is expansion of SIDBI?
SIDBI, Small Industries and Development Bank of.
Where is the headquarters?
Mumbai.
No, Lucknow. Shiv Shankar Raman. Shiv Shankar Raman is the chairman of SIDBI.
Okay.
Who is the
Lucknow.
Yeah, who is the chairman of now rapid fire quiz? Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha?
Mr. Dharmendra. No, next one. Dharmendra Pradhan. Okay.
Jagdeep Dhankar.
Dhankar, oh sorry, yes, the Vice President of India.
Who is the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha?
There is no one.
Mallikarjun Kharge.
Mallikarjun. Okay.
Acha, are you seeing the screen? Screen is visible for you?
Yes, sir, I can see that.
What are you able to read now?
Sir, it's on OneDrive, family details, what do you know about bank?
No,
repo rate.
no, that's okay. That's okay. That's not the paper I have in for me. You should not see what I am seeing. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner?
Om Birla, sir.
Chief Election Commissioner. Rajiv Kumar. Rajiv Kumar.
Rajiv. Okay.
Who is Lok Sabha Speaker?
Mr. Om Birla, sir.
Yeah. Now, please tell me who is the Comptroller Auditor General of India?
Controller Auditor.
G.C. Murmu. G.C.
Okay.
Murmu. Who is the chairman of UPSC?
Oh, sir. I don't know.
Manoj Soni. Dr. Manoj Soni. What is the expansion of UPSC?
Union Public Service Commission.
Good. Who is the chairman of ISRO?
Mr. Somnath. I can't recall the first name. It is Mr. Somnath. Dr.
S. Somnath. Good. Who is the chairman of Indian Banks Association? A.K. Goyal, chairman of Punjab National Bank. Who is the finance secretary now?
Finance Minister.
Finance Secretary. T.V. Somanathan. T.V.
Somanathan.
Very good.
TV.
TV. T for temple. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Initially, you were all right as far as your subject is concerned. Regular banking is concerned. You were all right. Communication level, your performance is good. And up to that, if I give you mark, I will give you 9.5 out of 10. But after coming to the static GK, your performance is not good. Accordingly, I will give you 8.5 out of 10. And mostly you will be selected. I don't have any doubt why you should not be selected, because you are very knowledgeable, very understanding. But only thing is attitude wise थोड़ा स्माइल करके बात करना है, लोग से सबको बिलीव करके काम करना है.
Definitely, sir.
Best
I have one
wishes.
question as well.
Yeah. Is it okay to record or stop recording it?
No, we can stop recording.